Find the coordinates of P. Given that y equals the sum of 3 times x squared, 11 times x, and 7 at coordinate P, its gradient dy over dx equals the sum of 3 times 2 times x and 11 times 1 and 0, which equals to the sum of 6 times x and 11. Equate the result to -1 that it is given as the gradient of the function at coordinate P. Let us solve for x. It means that the sum of 6 times x and 11 equals -1. Subtract 11 from both sides of the equation. It implies that 6 times x equals -1 minus 11, which equals -12. Divided equation by 6. 6 times x divided by 6 equals -12 divided by 6, which equals to -2. Hence, x equals to -2. To find y, substitute the value of x in the given function. It signifies that y equals the sum of 3 times the square of -2 and 11 times -2 and 7, which equals to -3 after simplification. Thus, the coordinate of P, that is, its x and y value, equals -2 and -3 respectively. Therefore, the correct option is B.